women to see like what they can bring to the table. And it's not about finances. To me, I look at you now and I look at it and I say, it's what can complement the whole building
Right.
situation. So,
Right.
like, I kind of like what you're rocking with right now. I
I
think each
appreciate that.
woman that you have right now really complements you in a different way. So, like, I
Yeah.
like this
So
vibe. So,
I think so. Man, we got 70 window lickers, man. Shout out to y'all. We lost
all right.
71.
Hey,
Thank
hey, paparazzi, y'all better record this too.
you.
Good night. See y'all later.
All right, see you later, Queen Jack.